What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. So for this trip, we have a few places to go to. We're currently in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Then we're gonna go to Oklahoma and most likely Dallas as well. So stay tuned. What I like about Albuquerque so far is the old building structures, and the place is pretty clean, to be honest with you. My wife was searching what to do in New Mexico, and she mentioned about a dancing or a musical highway. That's actually pretty cool. You drive through it, it makes music or sounds. This is the musical road. Oh, there it is. Sounds like a horn. I was always curious what Kirtland Air Force Base looked like. We're close by, so might as well drive through it. We've been driving around for about 10 minutes. And I am a little surprised how big this base is. Good thing the weather is not too bad here. I know I'm slacking, I still gotta finish the van. I haven't even done the ceiling. But at least I got all the soundproof and all. Let me show you guys around what it's done so far. Added another outlet right here. Max Air fan. Recently completed this. Added the window. Got this done. And this is that centerpiece that goes up, but it rotates, so. Oh, and of course you see it that it drops down. But yeah, we don't really bring much. We have so many storage options that even though the space is pretty small, everything is organized. So after driving around Old Town, it kind of reminds us of downtown Phoenix, Arizona. There's a lot of similarities. But yeah, my buddy recommended for us to go to Sawmill Market. It is pretty packed. And there's parking behind it, so might be good. Okay, that's pretty neat. Never been in this type of food place. Now this market is huge. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit better later on. I'm just trying to figure out what to eat, because we haven't eaten all day. So after we're done eating, I'm gonna show you guys all the food spot here. There's a clay pot kitchen, which is right here. Clay pot. That's probably good. It smells good. Ooh. We're at Meso Grill. So we went ahead and got a variety of food. I went to Meso Grill. My wife got the outlaw chicken, and the kids got that hot pizza. They got some poke. Oh, Sosa would have liked this one right here. Nico. Lie, look at that. That look fire. I got the chicken doner. I got the pepperoni pizza. Smells good. See how this salad tastes like. Wow, very good. It's not a little sour. Try the chicken. Seasoned well. It's like cooked to perfection. Look like they burnt that. I'm just joking, but it smells good though. How is it? And look, you got veggies, carbs, protein. This ain't bad for $20. It's a lot of chicken. Let me show you guys the upper level to this market. They got a private room section. And over here, they got margarita. They got tacos over there. Wine. From 95 degrees to 73. That's a big drop. I'll take it. We have lightning within 5. I gotta make a quick run to Walmart because we are running low on def. Might as well check around the auto care area to see what else we need. New Mexico is not a bad place to visit. I feel like we're out of luck because a lot of the things we wanted to go or see was closed. Like the History Museum, Old Town, Even trying to ride the tram, they won't let us because lightning. When it floods here, it's bad. I saw like 5 car accidents. I don't know why this is all the way in the back. Get the van some fresh air inside. What a beautiful day. After the rain it became gloomy. I like this kind of weather. It'd be a good time to actually rest and get some sleep. Man, I haven't slept since yesterday. Drove the whole time, pretty much. And went out, eat, tried to sightsee, but didn't see much. So, I'm just gonna appreciate this time. Look at that. My wife not snubbed up, chilling. But I'm gonna enjoy this time. Kept this place a little bit more organized. Not much stuff, but new add-on. I bought one of these. More stickers. I mean magnets. So hopefully we get more. But yeah, pretty clean now. I just utilized the back. Pretty much some of the backpacks. We got some toolbox, tool bag, laundry in here. So it's out the way. And of course this is our battery pack, EcoFlow. Pretty neat now. Gotta get our workout before going to bed. Man, I haven't played basketball for over 2 years. It was good. Let's see if I still got it. All day. All day. Sosa! Hey! Morning guys, we just left New Mexico. I'm just gonna make a quick breakfast and heading back to the road. But look at that view though. It's my favorite stove. Quick setup. It is quick breakfast with sriracha. Look at that. It's a beautiful day in here. Look at that. What a nice view.